Hey guys, this is Hunter Gladys, COO here at Professional Accounting and Financial Services. And I just kind of going into New Year, I just kind of wanted to share something with you that I think can help some of us entrepreneurs and business owners out there. And let's start with a question. How many of you business owners and entrepreneurs out there, how many of you are what we like to call the shoebox business owner? And what do I mean by that? Do you take this and at the end of the year, you grab your bank statements that chances are they're not opened yet. Put them in the box. Some receipts that you think are all your receipts, all your expenses. Put them in the box. Take a piece of paper, write down some mileage that you think you calculated correctly. Put it in the box. And then hand it to your tax preparer and share, pray, and hope for the best results. Is that you? Are you that owner? Because at the end of the day, I can tell you this: chances are you're losing money. You're losing money, because I can almost guarantee there's no way that you're able to make smart business decisions based off this. There's no way, because chances are at the end of the day, really, the only reason you got this and got all your stuff in there is because it's time to prepare your tax return. You didn't even have the information ready all throughout the year. So, if we can't make smart business decisions, honestly, if we don't know if we're making money, we're just on the hamster wheel. We're just working, for what? For what? So I think there's something we can do as entrepreneurs and business owners to take one step closer to being a little bit more organized, because that's the end all be all right there. You're just unorganized. You're just unorganized. So what can we do to take one step further? What can we do to go in January 1st, 2020, go into the new year being a little better, being a better entrepreneur, being a better business owner, knowing our goals, knowing if we're getting there or if we're not getting there? And the first solution is pretty simple. The first step is extremely simple. Take a trip to the Dollar Tree and buy a notebook. Buy a notebook, write the date at the top of the page, pull your sales, pull your expenses, write them down, and let's look at that bottom line. Did you make any money? It's as simple as that. Did you make any money? Because that right there, is that where we want to be at the end of the day? Is that where we want to be in the future when we get bigger? No, it's not. But it's better than being over here. It's better than being the shoebox accountant, I can promise you that. Because what can you do over here that you can't over here? You can make smart business decisions. You can know if you're making money or you're losing money. And that's key. That's key. So if you can take one thing out of this, is let's be a little more organized as business owners. Let's go into the new year. Let's start out on the right path. No matter your size, I hope you're small if you're still doing it like this, but no matter where we are in our business process or our business life, let's start out on the right path. Let's get a little more organized, and let's be able to make smart business decisions. Let's be able to grow our business the right way. Let's know if we're making money at the end of the day. Let's know if we're making money at the end of the day. So if we can go into 2020 on that, and that's what you get from this video, then success, because that's the first step. That's the first step to getting to where I think we need to be as business owners and entrepreneurs. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to reach out to us. Our contact information is on our Facebook page. And my email actually is hunter@pafsinc.com. So if you have any questions or anything, feel free to reach out to me. And if you want a little bit more information on anything that we discussed today, feel free to let me know. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks.